Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a compelling presentation on Sustainable Development Goals. First, thoroughly understand the 17 global goals. Next, identify your audience and the presentation's core purpose. Select 1 to 3 specific goals to highlight, ensuring depth over breadth. Finally, gather compelling data, relevant case studies, and high-quality visuals to support your narrative effectively. Structuring your presentation logically is key to its impact. Start with a strong introduction, clearly outlining the goal you are addressing. Dedicate separate slides to each selected goal, detailing its significance and current status. Clearly present the challenges faced, progress made, and proposed future actions. Conclude with a powerful, actionable call to inspire your audience to engage with these vital global objectives. Visuals are crucial for an engaging SDG presentation. Utilize high-quality images and the official Sustainable Development Goal icons to enhance understanding. Choose clear, readable fonts and maintain a consistent color scheme throughout. Incorporate charts and graphs to effectively visualize data and statistics, making complex information accessible. Remember to keep text concise, aiming for no more than 6 to 8 lines per slide for maximum impact. Delivering your message effectively is the final step to success. Practice your presentation thoroughly to ensure a smooth and confident delivery. Engage your audience by asking questions and incorporating interactive elements. Show your passion and deep knowledge about the Sustainable Development Goals. Encourage open discussion and inspire your audience to take further action, contributing to these crucial global efforts for a better future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.